In this video, I'll share some tips on how to design a professional-looking newsletter in Mailchimp in 2026. A good newsletter starts with a clean and simple layout. Avoid cluttering your email with too much text or too many images. Instead, use clear sections with enough spacing to make your content easy to read. Keep your branding consistent by using your logo, brand colors, and fonts throughout the newsletter. This helps your audience recognize your emails instantly. Use high-quality images that support your message, but don't overdo it. Every image should have a purpose and help guide your reader's attention. Make your headings clear and your paragraphs short. Most people skim emails, so using bullet points, bold headings, and concise content will improve readability. Include a strong call to action, whether it's visiting your website, reading a blog post, or making a purchase. Make your buttons stand out so readers know exactly what to click. Finally, always preview your newsletter on both desktop and mobile devices before sending, since a large percentage of subscribers read emails on their phones. If you're looking for a complete step-by-step guide on creating and sending newsletters in Mailchimp, be sure to check out our channel. We have detailed tutorials covering the entire process. And that's how to design an effective Mailchimp newsletter in 2026.